And this is the question set that I am talking about. 74th Chaitra. This is from conics or curve sketching. We have discussed its basics in the previous tutorial. You can overview if you would like to. Now we will be getting to this solution. What is given? Right, given r is equal to 12 by 3 plus 2 cos theta. We reduce it in the form of reduce to form r is equal to dE upon 1 plus E cos theta. This let equation 1. So this 2 must be made 1 plus E cos theta as it is. So now we make this in the form of this. This 3 must be converted into 1. How can we do it? By dividing by 3, or we can take 3 out. 12 by, we take 3 out, 1 plus 2 by 3 cos theta is equal to 3 4 is 12, 4 upon 1 plus 2 by 3 cos theta. So we get our E. Comparing, we get our E to be 2 by 3 and DE, this is our DE to be 4. That means we have got D into E to be 2 by 3 is equal to 4. So D we got 4 3 2 to the 4 and 3 to the 6. Now what we do? We find out which curve it is. Since 2 by 3 is less than 1, so it is an ellipse. It is an ellipse. Now we will do plotting part. For plotting points and the directions, we take the following chart. We make your theta and r comma theta. When theta is 0 we pi by 2 pi and pi by 2. We put here values of theta and we get the result. Here we put the value of theta is 0, cos 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1, 3 plus 2 is 3 plus 2 5, 12 by 5, 12 by 5, pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0, 12 by 3 is 4, pi cos pi is minus 1 and it is 12. 3 pi by 2 cos 270 is 0. So we write 0. Now r comma 12 by 5 comma 0, and this is our 4 comma pi by 2. This is our 12 comma pi, and this point is our 0 comma 3 pi by 2. 0 comma 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2, sorry, here we get the value of 3 pi by 2, here 0, so 3 4s are 12, we get the value here 4. So this is 4 comma 3 pi by 2. Now we plot the curve. Now we plot the curve. Since it has cos theta on polar curve, so its major axis lies on the x-axis. So this is the major axis and this is an ellipse, and we make this is center C, and we will have to write description after we have made the curve. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna just plot it out. We have foci is 0, 0, so we take foci 0, let this be foci 1, foci, let it be S 0, 0, let it be foci 0, 0, and this is 0, this is our pi by 2, this is our 3 pi by 2, and this is our pi, and this is our 3 pi by 2. At 0, how many, what value do we have? 12 by 5, that is will make up to how many? Here is 12 to the pi, here we will make up to 12, here will make 3 6 12, and here we'll make 5 by 12 is there at 0, that means 5 to the 10, it is 1 2 3 4 5, and pi by 2, what is the value? At pi by 2, it's 4, 1 2 3 4, and here at 3 pi by 2 we have the value of 1 2 3 4. Now 12 by 5 is 5 to the 10, 2 point something, so 1 point lies here, this point is 0 or 12 by 5 comma 0, and this is our 1 point, and our pi by 2 4 comma pi by 2, this is our point 4 comma pi by 2, and at pi we have this 12 comma pi, and here we have 4 comma 3 pi by 2. Now we join the curve, it must be like ellipse, so we join the curve. It may not look like ellipse, but it is the equation of, or it is a curve of ellipse, and this is our foci. Now we have to find, we have what we have foci 0, 0, and we have vertex we have foci, we have vertex. We have vertex is 0, 12, comma pi, and vertex name it A and A dash. Vertex A is equal to this, and vertex A and B 12 by 5, comma foci will lie here in this side. And for that, first we have to find this distance. What is the distance of CS? That is the distance of this C to A minus CS. So CA minus CS would be CA. What is the our 36 by 5 minus what is the distance from S to C? 12 by 5. It will be 24 by 5. So from here to here the distance is 24 by 5. So here to here 0 to 24 by 5, and here to here 24 by 5. So multiplying this into 2, we will get 248 by 5. So here will be our next foci 8, 48 by 5, 48 by 5, comma pi. This will be our next foci, and 48 by 5 is 5 8s of 40, 5 9s of 45, 5 9 point something. So our 9 6 7 8 9 would lie something like here, and this would be our next foci. This would be our next foci S dash. By this way our curve is complete. Now for directrix, directrix we have R is equal X is equal to, this lies on X axis, so X is equal to R cos theta. So we have R is D. We put the value of R as D. What we have got here, D is 6. So 6 cos, here we put 0 degrees, so 0 is 6 cos 0 is 6. And for next directrix, where next directrix will be here, so at pi R, next R would be our 6, and our next directrix, just add this D or R with the foci. We get 6 plus 48 by 5 cos, what is it at? It is at pi. So cos pi is equal to, what would be our 6 plus 48 by 5 minus of 78 by 5. It will be 15.6. So now x is equal to this, and x is equal to, we make here x is equal to 6, and there is minus x is equal to 6. Here is, this is x is equal to 6, one directrix, and along pi there is another directrix 15.6, 12, 13, 14, 15.6. X is equal to minus 15.6. This is our next directrix, and this is our answer for 5 marks. And this is our description. This all is our description. This is our ellipse, and this is our solution to find ellipse. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned while we put the similar video. Here, what happens when we put sine in place of cos? What happens when we put minus in place of plus? And what happens when cosec come in the question. We will deal it in next tutorials. And if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and to get the latest information about the tutorials I will give you, press the bell icon aside the subscribe button below. Thank you. Goodbye.